Okay, radio. My R33 has a Series 1 steering wheel, but I do not like the steering wheel. It looks like poverty, so I will be replacing this with a Series 2 steering wheel. This looks a lot better than that. Alright, so stick that in there. Yeah, special bit for it is it takes a Torx, but it has a hole in there. So I have this one. What size is this? Gato, what size is this? Oh yeah, I forgot. Disconnect the battery before replacing your steering wheel, because you don't want the airbag to come out in your face and relieve you from life on this planet. Alright. So squeeze this. That release. So there's the airbag right there. Igniter, everything right here. So what size is this? Not. Okay, it's a 19. Alright, so this is a 19. Yeah. Okay, I got the nut off. I forgot when I was taking the plastic trims off, I forgot the bottom one. So I gotta drop this bottom one also, you see. Comes down from there. Okay, and unplug this connector. All right, the steering wheel was a bit stubborn, but I just took both fists and I was beating left and right. It's starting to rain. Okay, back at it. The rain ceased to exist. All right, so where did I leave off? Okay, after you unplug this, then I was beating from left to right on the steering wheel, but with both hands. And you see this vertical line right here. When you put on the new steering wheel, you want to match this dot with that line as best as you can. All right, so even if you have to mark this right here so you can see it better. All right, do not turn this. Marks are lined up. Alright, so don't forget to plug this back in. Alright, that's in. Alright, so it's all on. Alright, the only thing I'm missing is the side trims and the bottom trim. The steering wheel, but I already contacted the previous owner. He says he'll try to find them and send them out. So other than that, it's nice, it's good. Looks a lot better than the Series 1 steering wheel. Doesn't that look a lot better?